Yo, my fan just died. Oh my lord. Yeah, it's insanely warm. This gives me an idea of what I should do tomorrow. Okay, good night. Alright guys, first order of business, machine oil and some screw because I don't have them. I don't own screw. Why am I wearing sunglasses? It's because I'm filming in public. So the only thing that I saw, I don't think it's correct. This should be it. Merry Christmas, y'all. Cannot find it. Okay, I arrived home, but I'm not planning to fix my fan yet because I need to leave at 1:45. It's now 1:29. Need to prepare and then go. But I promise I will do that. Okay, y'all, I'm back home and it's almost 10 p.m. So I need to finish this ASAP so I can sleep early. Not that I always sleep early. Let's just get onto it. I watched a couple of YouTube tutorials, so I'm pretty confident that this will work. I was so tempted to use baby oil, but at least we have this. Daiso screwdrivers. Caution! In case of eye contact, you need to flush eye with plenty of water. In case of ingestion, seek medical attention immediately. Hope that does not happen to me. LC, tanggalin yung LC. That's what we call it in Philippines. This is how it goes, right? Pretty sure I also need to get rid of this like frame thing. It doesn't come out. Let's go, Yuri the Builder. I'm gonna go watch YouTube again. Did say that there's a screw behind. I see no screw. Oh, you see this thing? Usually there is a screw there, supposedly, but there we go. Oh my god, if I really pull this off, man. Oh, I don't like sitting like this. Now what's next? Time to go back to YouTube Academy. Huh? What? It does not look like that. It does not look like that. Looks like I need to remove this entire chunk. I'm gonna go grab some vacuum because the amount of dust that's just flying all over my face is a little bit insane. I don't have a proper chair to look at my chair. My butt is spilling in between. It's a little bit painful. You're gonna come see this. Now I'm gonna try to educate you like I'm a real mechanic, even though I'm not. So just take it with a grain of salt. You see this part? That's where this is Ayuma. It's literally not rotating. That's where this is supposed to be rotating. And right now it's a little bit sticky. It's not rotating. That's it. So I need to put some oil here and oil there, like there. And also not just there, but also behind that one. This thing. I'm gonna put some oil in there. And hopefully that should do the trick. We shall see. There's no instruction how to open this thing. No idea. Ah, Crazilla. Should I also Google like how do you open Singer? It's not coming off. I'm gonna Google. I'm gonna search how do you open Singer. Are you seeing this? So you have to poke it with something? See, that's the thing. I wouldn't know if I don't check that. Oh, I have to remove it with pliers. At least that's what the comment said. I have to. Seriously? Oh. Oh. I swear I wasn't faking that. Let's just oil the front first. How many syllables does oil have? 2. Oil. Okay, there's absolutely no hole. You see? Nothing. Work with me, girl. It's working. You need to lie down, babe. There. It's like, work. Oh, there. It's rotating now. I hope you work, man. Otherwise, I video this for nothing. All we need to do is put everything back together and hope for the best. What if it doesn't work, man? Okay. Guys, while I'm screwing, this is actually so fun. I just wanted to say that. I've been stressed the past couple of weeks because, well, just because. My friends did tell me that I need to take my mind off dance. So, there we go. Fixing a broken electric fan. I think it does work. Sense the victory. So Yuri is going to step back so we can try. I'm really quite scared because I don't want it to fail, but that's okay. It's part of growing up. I'm scared. I'm scared, Mom. It's not working. It's not working. Seriously? No way. It's not working. Can we cry now? An hour and a half of hard work for nothing. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Effort ko eh. Oil the more the merrier. Paano na si Batman? Yuri the mechanic. I mean, my dad's an engineer, so he's probably passed on some of those. Papa, look at me. Trying to attempt to fix the fan the second time. What's that saying? They say that if you fail, try again. But if you fail after that again, fail harder. Something like that. What? I think we'd fail harder. I'm just gonna put it there. Yep, that's the correct one. Try this thing again. I'm gonna set you up there so that you're safe. Or doesn't work. Oh my gosh, it does not work. I can't. I can't with this thing. Okay, so I sincerely hope that you guys still enjoyed that video. I'm so disappointed. Why? Where did I go wrong, man? Or maybe the fuse is broken. Some people said that it can be that one. Oh my god. Okay lah. Anyway, just wanted to say, don't stress yourselves out. Ooh, wow, look who's talking. You're obviously stressed. You need to take your mind off of the things that you're working on. Just take that advice from your friends. Like me, I did enjoy this, even though it was a fail. Hi guys, Future Yuri here, and I just realized I did not word that out so nicely. Basically, what I was just trying to say is learn to take rests from time to time, because I'm sure we all know that it's scientifically proven that rest is essential for productivity. For some reason, we always just tend to ignore that. Yeah, that's all I was gonna say. Bye. Anyway, I'll update you guys what I'll do with this fan. I really don't want to buy another one. Anyone wants to help me, feel free. Adios! Okay, bye.